Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool 3D shape effect on Adobe Illustrator CC. So I'm just going to grab this brush tool and I am going to kind of create like a random shape. You can of course draw any shape you want. Then I'm just going to go to the star tool and I'm just going to create a star. Let's kind of zoom into it, and I'm going to kind of round it out a little bit like so. And I'm going to color it in like a gradient. I am going to go to gradient and color it differently, of course. I can just go to properties. Okay. And I'm just going to change the color of the gradient to here and also here. And lastly here. Oh, oops. And then okay. Then I'm going to copy and paste that. I'm also going to add just a little bit of an outline. Oops. And I want to make it super duper thin. Like so. Then I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm just going to put it down here. Select both and blend it. And then right click, actually go to object and then blend options. Go to specified steps and make the steps like a lot, like 3,000 maybe. Okay, that could work. But I want this one to be on top instead. So let's arrange it and bring it to front. Then select both of them, go to object, blend, make. Okay. And then once you're done, you're going to select both of them, go to object, and then go to, where is it? Okay, go to blend again, sorry, and then select replace spline. And you have this really cool shape that you made on Adobe Illustrator CC, and I think it's super cool, as you can see. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!